Welcome to Simple Tech Tips. Today we'll learn how to add text on Filmora videos. So we have added a media file and added it on the timeline, and here on the video we want to add some text. So in order to do that, we have to go to the titles. From there you'll see a couple of options. The first one is called mine. You don't have to worry about it now. Let's take the AI captions. Let's say like you have video with voice. You can just use to speech to text, and it will just extract the speech and turn it into text. But this is not the case in this case. We just want to, put the text here. So by going to the trending, you can see what others are using, the popular ones. Let's select this is, we like it. I'm just going to add the title here, add it to the project. Okay, just have to put it here. Now place, so it says your title here. You just select the text and go to the basic, and the title is here for you to edit. So let's select you want to put example.com. You'll just write it like this. There are many other options. You can choose the font here. You can bold it, italic, underline, many presets, and many other options that you can select from here. There are many other options that you can select from here. There are also title that you can, that comes with effects. So if you like any of them, you can choose. And if you want to see how they look like, you can just hover your mouse and it's just going to show it here. See, like this shows this is a flip. So if we add it, it's gonna do a flip of the text. However, you need to be careful about the assets. Some of them may not be available. There are many other options. Then we go to the title templates. Here, many other subtitles, lower thoughts, like you can choose any of them. You just go through, and if you have something in your mind, you can just search it and it will search all the titles. But this template is quite fine. Like it tells you like sales tag and many other things that you can use. You can just download first and then drag and drop. So this is how you use the title. You add the text on the Filmora video, and if you save any of them, they will just appear here under the mine sections, like the downloaded, the favorites one, stuff like that. So I personally go with plain text. It's easier to manage, like make it smaller. If you want to make it bigger, you can do that. So if you like the video, please thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thanks a lot.